back to another video. My name is Jacob and this is Trade Happy, a platform for traders around the world to be happy and consistently profitable. And in today's video, again, another strategy for you guys from Hassan in the live stream. Basically, we've taken our strategy that we've seen and developed it further. We've been testing it. There's still some more testing to do, but we are getting good results, so we wanted to share it with you guys. And yeah, if you do enjoy it, remember to subscribe, remember to hit the like button. If you have any other kind of questions, comments, whatever, drop them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy and we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, right, so what it is, 200 EMA. Okay, you need a 200 EMA, you need the MACD, right? What I'm going to actually do, I'm going to take this one off for now. Let me use a normal MACD just because people don't have that indicator. That indicator is basically a MACD but we've had it programmed and developed a little bit different, but it works the same as a normal MACD, okay? So all we're going to do is, if the market is under the 200, we're only looking for sells. If it's above the 200, we're only looking for buys. Rule number one, simple. Rule number two, if we're below the 200 and we're only looking for sells, we need the MACD, okay, to be above this zero. So you know what, let me quickly take off the histograms and I'm going to quickly drop in a line here just so you guys understand a little bit better. There you go. Okay, so we're below the 200, we're looking for sales. MACD has to be above the zero and then we're waiting for a cross to the downside. Okay, so you get a cross like this to the downside, and then what you're doing, as soon as you get the cross, then you're waiting for the candle to close to confirm, and then you're entering next bar market. All right, if the market is above, so let me find one that's above, so I like here, right, the market is above the 200, you're waiting for the MACD to go below the zero line and cross like it did here, wait for it to close, and then you're taking a buy. All right, simple. Now the second rule is, I think this actually looks like a loser, to be fair.
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah, shall I hand pick a winner just so I can do the rules properly?
Cool.
Let me hand pick a winner. All right, here's a winner. So
there's one 19th of October.
Okay, I got one here anyway.
Okay.
I'll go to that one in a minute. Remember the time, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So here, market's below the 200. We've pushed up above the zero line and we've crossed to the downside. So once we've crossed and we open up, we open slightly. Okay, we open slightly there. I'll drop in a vertical line. I don't want, I'll just use this. So there you go. We're entering when this candle closes. All right. What you want to do is you want to enter. You want to enter when that closes. Your stop is going 2 candles back on whichever's the highest. Okay, so we got 1 candle, 2 candle. You can see this is the highest point. Let me just put this on. Highest point. You put your stop at the high of that. Okay. Now we've tested a 1-to-1. We've tested a 2-to-1. They both work very well. I personally, I'm taking 1-to-1s. Jacob, what are you taking, mate? 2-to-1s.
I'm taking 1.5s.
Jacob's taking 1.5s, I'm taking 1-to-1s. It's entirely up to you, but guys, please do your testing. Don't just trade this because we're going to be trading it. Please do your testing so you can understand, okay? Now, if I go to a 1-to-1, there you go. There's a winner, okay? Jacob's 1.5 is there, about there, okay? Still a winner. Alright, winner chicken dinner, 2-to-1s, still a winner, 3-to-1s, okay? That's a hand pick one. There are losses in there, but if you stick with it, you get really, really good results, okay? Let's see if we can find another one. What was that one? The 19th, you said?
Yeah, at 3:30. So wouldn't have actually taken the trade, but yeah. It's a very, very tiny stop loss.
Let me get my crosshair on so I can see where it is. 19th at 3:30, did you say?
Yeah, that's when the cross happens.
This one here, yeah.
So
Right.
you enter on 3:45. The open of that candle.
3:45. So, this one.
No,
This one.
So you enter on the open of that candle.
Yeah. Right. So, again, we're under the 200. EMA's gone above, crossed, and we're gonna enter on this candle here. So it'd be the open, like Jacob said, which is there, yeah. And we're gonna go 2 candles up, whichever one's the highest. Okay, so 1, 2 back. Right, let me just spread this across so you guys can see where the stop's going. Right there, tiny. Now this is 2 pips. Okay, this is too tight for me. I mean, that's why. Did you say you wouldn't have entered this one because of that?
I mean, we wouldn't have been in it because it's 3:30 in the morning.
Yeah, true. And yeah, that stop is a little bit too tight for my liking. Okay, but hey ho, it's the rules. And there you go. So if you went for a 1-to-1, all right, look, you'd be out super quick. 1.5 Jacob, 1 there, 2-to-1. All right. I wouldn't recommend going more than. I mean, you can go more than a 2-to-1 if you want, but please test it. Sometimes this thing just goes on for ages. All right. I'll show you a trade yesterday. Jacob, do you remember what one I was looking at yesterday? Oh, was it dollar yen?
No.
I think.
I
No.
remember.
Can't remember what trade I was looking at yesterday. Yeah. So that is the rules. What's that?
We had an AED JPY short yesterday. At 7:45.
7. What was the date yesterday? 21st.
It's actually on the 20th.
20th. 7. Yeah.
So that was the candle I entered.
This one.
So I entered on the 7:45 open.
Let me just look at the trade. Yeah. So this one here.
That's when I entered.
Yeah. So Jacob entered here. Okay, on the open. Right there. You can see we had the cross. Candle was below the 200. Cross. 2 candles up. So 1, 2.
Yeah.
Okay, right there. 2 candles up. And then 1.5.
Yeah.
1.5. Bosh. 6 pips later. In about what? 15, 30 minutes. He was at the trade. But look at this. Look at how much more you could have held this. Look, you could have got 5-to-1 out of this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's about testing, seeing what you're happy taking out this trade, these trades. It works really, really well. Really, really well.
There's actually a sell right now on AEDJ. Actually, no, there wasn't. Right. I was having a look at 7:45. That wasn't a trade.
Yeah. So 8 o'clock. What about this one, Jacob? 8 o'clock.
It's too late, isn't it? Because the cross happens here, and you'd be entering on this one, which is above the two.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, so that's basically what we've been testing, and it's working really well. So just to let you know, if you guys want to follow it, I'm looking at Aussie CAD today.
Yeah.
You can see we're below the 200. We've pushed up, okay, and I'm waiting for this to cross to the downside. If we get across to the downside, we're above that 0 mark. If we get across to the downside, I'll be looking to take a short, and then I'll be looking to put my stop 2 candles above, and then taking my 1-to-1 out of the trade. So I hope you guys like that. And that's what we're going to be trading as of Monday.
Yep. Be good if we can get a signal. I didn't really want to use that word, but a trade idea live on stream, wouldn't it, with this new system?
Yeah.
There's also a possible long on Euro NZD.
Oh, I don't have that. There you go, there's another pair.
What?
No, I didn't have Euro New Zealand on my chart.
Oh.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to get my... So this here, oh no, it's gone back to that.
Yeah.
Alright, let me just get rid of that. So we basically had the MACD coded to give us easier viewing of signals.
I can go over it actually.
Yeah, please, because my one's gone messed up again. I've got to fix it.
So yeah, we're above the 200, this line here, and we're basically just waiting for that cross to take place, which it seems like it's going to happen any minute now. And then yeah, we'll take a buy. Stops will probably be below this one, or this one, depending on where the cross happens. And then take profits will be like around here somewhere.
Yeah, nice small trades.
Yeah, pretty simple. Pretty simple. But we'll see what happens.
Nice, so let me mark that one as well. You know what's really nice about this, and the reason why we're telling everyone is one, to give you guys a good strategy to use. Two, so that we can fire off trades in the morning. And three, what we all can do in the stream, anyone watching this, if anyone sees any opportunities, you can shout it out and say, yep, there's an opportunity on so-and-so pair, and we can all take advantage of it. So
yeah,
it's like
I think it would be good
all can help each other out.
I think it would be good as well if we all get into a call. So maybe starting next week, we just go into the general kind of trading chat instead of like a private one.
Yep.
And then just people can join whenever they want.
Yeah, that'd be
all
good.
Kind of chat.
So if you're not part of Discord, join. Jacob, how do you get the link again?
It says it at the bottom of the screen.
It says it at the bottom of the screen.
Yeah. Exclamation mark Discord.
Yes.
Or, you know, there's loads of things down there. You can do whatever you want.
Join Discord, and then yeah, next week will be quite fun. So anyway, let's go back to my normal trade. Oh my god. There you go, guys. TP hit.
Oh wow. So yeah, nice trade.
Thanks.
I think it's going to close bearish.
I think so.
Oh dear.
There you go. My analysis was right.
There could be a buy setup now though, because if this comes into that little red candle, and then we get a bullish candle, would you not take a buy on that? I would.
I can do. My problem is I'm sell biased on the 4-hour.
Right.
Because I'm sell biased on the 4-hour, I don't really want to go against what is going on. But you saying that, with a candle this large, what normally happens when it closes? You get a retracement, right?
Yeah.
Grab some orders, at least around 50%. So on a lower time frame, let's say on a 15-minute or something, you could potentially take a buy to the upside and aim for a very, very small target. But to me, that's counter trending now.
Right. Yeah.
And I don't really want to counter trend. But can I just say something? Can you all see what